Hello my planner friends, it's Crystal with Happy to Plan. I'm going to be doing my Plan With Me video for the week of October 8th through the 14th. And this week's inspiration came from a junk journal that I'm working on. So I've been working on a junk journal. I've actually been working on a couple, two of them, that I actually put on sale on my Etsy shop yesterday. And I had some pieces left over from those journals. So I thought, you know what, I'm going to use these pieces in my planner, which is another one of my passions. So kind of mixed my two passions together, and I'm going to be doing, using the scraps from that journal. So there was this little cute little journal card that I'm going to be using, and then little bear. So it's going to be like basically kind of a fall, animal theme, I guess. So I have these two pieces, and then I've got just some other little scraps here. I got this cute little sweater, which I did actually put a sweater on Thursday, so I was happy about that. I was able to, it's California, sometimes you just never know. But I did actually put a sweater on. And then I also had this from Tuesday morning, so I'm going to try to use up these little stickers here. I did pull out some stamps just to have them. I don't know if I'll use them, but I do want to try to incorporate these in there. These came from a little kit that I purchased at Tuesday morning, and I got all of these stamps for $3, which I thought was really good. It was $3 or $3.99, I can't remember. So it's either $3 or $4, but either way, these were really cute. So I want to try to incorporate these stamps in there somehow. And then I also have this sticker sheet. This came from a calendar that my son had given me. He used to work at Michael's, and when they would just have some stuff, random stuff sometimes. So he said, "Oh, my mom would like that. Let me give it to her." So I just love the little sleeping fox. It actually matches. It almost looks exactly like the stamp. And the little deer. I think the deer I might save for something else, for a Christmas thing. But I love the foxes, and I love the little bears, and I love the raccoon. So I think I'll just use a couple of these throughout as well, because they're not the exact match, but I think they coordinate good enough. All right, so I think the first thing that I'm going to do is kind of just clear the space off a little bit. So anyway, here we go. We're going to try this. We're going to just We're gonna just put this little bead of glue down, and we're gonna put this little ribbon down here. And this is just a ribbon I probably bought at Walmart for $1. Or actually, no, wait, is this Dollar Tree? Nope, this is the Walmart brand. Probably should have cut it before I tried to glue it down. It doesn't quite make it on this side, but I can put a sticker there and no one will know. Okay. I think that worked. Okay, let's try the side. Let's do this one. Yeah, like that. See how it kind of gives that a little bit more separation. All right, so I'm going to do that to the other side, and I will be right back. Like, I kind of want to put this here or here. And just cover up, because I kind of don't like the fact that this is the same image as this. I know I'm weird. Okay, I'm gonna trim this down a little bit. So yeah, I think I'm gonna put that there. So let me, I think I wanna pop it off the page a little bit. I have this foam tape that I'm going to use. Okay, I'm gonna get this and cleared down, and once I do that, it's gonna be sticker time! Okay, so I put this little thing over here. I have like a study that I decided to join on Monday nights. So I'm doing that. I have my game night on Tuesdays, which I just found out is going to be switching to Thursdays. So I'm not sure if that's going to work out. Hopefully it does. And then I have a planner meetup on Friday. Let's see. I I think I have a game day on Sunday as well. It starts at 4. I have lunch with my friend. I can't remember. I think it's on Thursday. I think that's it for now. I do want to make a little list of things I want to get done for the week. So what I decided I'm going to do is I'm going to put this little envelope thing that I have right here. I'm going to put this on here, and then I'm going to cut it. And then I think what I'm going to do to cover up that space is put these here. Actually, should I do it on the bottom? Let's see. No, I think I want it at the top. So I'm going to put a strip here, and a strip down here. Because I just really want to use these stamps. So I think I will use, let's see, I think I'm going to try to mark the center. Give it a little fold there. There, that's cute. All right, and then let me get this glued on. I'll just use this glue. Come on, let go. Oh well, I was gonna make this a pocket, but it's on the wrong side. No biggie. I was gluing this on to these two pieces. Yes, technically it's still a little pocket. Okay, and then I'm going to take this, cut this straight, both sides, put a little glue down. This ribbon I got at the Dollar Tree. And the nice thing about this ribbon is it is for fabric, so that like will dry and won't be able to see it once it dries. At least that's the hope. I'm pretty sure. I've used this before for this, so. My planner is getting chunky. All right. All right, there you go. That is my planner layout for this week. I think it's cute. I think it turned out cute. It was fall and I used my scraps up, so that makes me feel good. All right, I'll see you next time. Bye for now.